I'm Lisa Marr, Senior Communications Officer at the Whitsunday Regional Council. Council has welcomed Mayor Steve Wass of the Kingborough Council in Tasmania for the official signing of a Memorandum of Understanding in relation to climate change planning and adaptation. This new partnership is one of learning and collaboration and will guide us to improve upon our existing practices and help prepare our communities for the developing impacts of climate change.
Last year, Whitsunday Regional Council adopted its first ever climate change policy and strategy. Kingborough Council is recognised as a leader in climate change. It makes perfect sense then for Whitsunday Regional Council to partner with Kingborough Council and learn from their experiences. Both councils are very passionate about learning, planning and working with the effects of climate change for the benefit of all of our communities.
We know that climate change is real. It's happening, and it's happened every day for the last, at least, as back as probably our memory goes, and it's becoming more and more apparent as time goes on that those events, and I'm talking weather events, are getting stronger and harsher and more extreme. We've got two options. One, we can put our head in the sand and think that climate change will go away, and then when it hits us really hard, we suffer. Or alternatively, if we become positive and think of how we can best protect our community and how we can best take opportunities of what are presented along the line. I think if we take that attitude and being optimistic and embrace the climate change, we're far better off to find ways in which we can adapt to move with climate change.
Mark Baker-Jones, partner at Dibbs Barker Law Firm, has over 15 years experience in planning and environmental law and climate change adaptation, as well as being an advisor to the Queensland State Government. Mark is working with the Whitsunday and Kingborough Councils to develop a framework for guiding local governments with decision-making processes in relation to climate change adaptation.
What we're doing is developing with Kingborough and Whitsunday Regional Council is a decision-making process that will enable local government decision makers to both take into account the best science around climate change, but also be aware of the legal implications of their decisions and take those into account so that their final decisions are legally robust, and then we can therefore avoid that legal risk and hopefully avoid exposing them to litigation.
The Kingborough Mayor was given a tour of the Whitsunday region, followed by the official signing of the Memorandum of Understanding at a ceremony held on Friday the 17th of February. Our region is exposed to a number of natural hazards, all of which are likely to be exacerbated by climate change. As a coastal community and custodians of the Great Barrier Reef, we are taking the lead on climate change and will strengthen our resilience through the projects identified in our climate change adaptation strategy. For more information on our climate change projects, visit our Facebook page or call Council on 4945 0200.